Chinsanya chiabana maragaba mwanjwa omurigere nare tomerere asembe nyarego kuma nyali atakire ate chinsema ime na isiko ya gusi nje nigongoro kwa haruni ototo nyangire na nigotoko chakali mulioka na roboti korwa chinsemo chenyabuya ime ye chinsemo goseme wadi yancheki ase omusayo mawe miaka 19 gotebekana kurusyo moyo wethira asokonywa eliogo gosesumu yeng'ombe asabane amateyo yabodirie kunyara kabage gosirwa eli konyara kabage gwikirania emirobori eyuego chikobugatia muna gutumanya umurikito ndani musungu
amateyemo korwa ase kenyoro kia nyabuya kegotoka emyanya chekigwo dime abo basi nigegase nigotegara no bwobo bonene maega y'omwana omosae bwenke yiga konywa eriogo rie chiomba ase chinchira chiobotutukanu
mwana no kuruku Justin Manoti omokogoti onyoikire miaka 19 bono iga naba akwete esenjera ya mubasukano abogete mambi agankwani bwakire agasoka akagenda kuirana kitu kama saa sita hivi ngamenya kuigu ngorangirirwe umwana ukorireki unyure elio ngosituka ngomunyoka kuresi naraire ngoika isiko ngamenya konyoranga ekeno oro kirimuka mumuru mwabo iyo bakurana nyuma echuba yeliogo likoro kupima traxirie chiombe nabu barenge goseka akagenda agasoa mwaye akaba muno yogosie ku murango kurugosie
nonya nabo nige amateiga yanyara kwerera muna ati bamaetingi kiagerete umusayo iga akaimukie getambukire kigagio konyuri ogeriga asenge nchota atigete nyonya neri uko maega riare goteba niki kiagerete agekora ekarabo igo bagase ni gutikara asobwo bobuiga
agukana ngancentige nkwere borere eri ekire saa 57 kono nkabanko tokumurwane tokumuboto kumukipara arabwe gari ya green feta yale kuye chae kurwetu ndubali ekabwata egatenene gankonye kambekero umwana one mutu ase gali mutu na inchende ase gali mutu ekene tugaikanya cheki hospital akabekwa ase reception bakamanya gontebi ngandi kichibesa litangani umwana amego chaka kurwalibwe ekiagera nabwete na ne shiringi bakongumbori ko bumanyere irio gachebesa muhuko kabanko basorora umwali omwana ona agatuma chibesa bakansa ku bakamwire sibako murukeri bakamuruki alafu umwana agaika gatebo orosire
ekerbone yamateiga yanyare gosaba serikali gochiweswana ni nabo yokomanya nikikirete omosayo iga akaimukerie getambukire kigagio konywario ogerigarie chiombe ekabo igo bagasine gotenga obutaka burase nkeyeiga nigo boro bonke mono ekerba nyare gosaba onde bwensi ore nomo bwo wanche gochiweswana ni erinde banyare gokora omatanga y'omosayo yoiga na komweni asenchira ya maskani ekerbo igo mobere onyagosiro gasine gokendera ase nkendwe yemo
imambi umwana ona agakwa akimuna abaminto bagatembe nasabire ase nkeyeiga twanyora tobokongu kende ngeyo tobugate epiri yanya gitari gerororo twaetana nirali nali twatumikire chibesa lakini chiaburiri kire gento ne chibesa ituko lyarera batakire kwenda gukora postmortem agu epiri yanya gitari ereigo gento ndasabe abaminto obokonyi gakigocha ase omochioyo mbuya
rubosongo na mwego mongina kweresa yabe yigete obwake kabangana boyo anyara ko bagotira bono auto abugete ngane gento ke raisi na merobere ndio ase ko baraisi lakini amana wikabone gese indoche kire step toko genda
nema obugima borono bakong omogo manye no muchoyo gasirete kali uyole mumurone kakyosi moko nyara onde bwensi ora twara mabira tokonye gyara twaedire chinjira chionzi igojita eti chibese chaigo
kuripoti getaseni kiagetembe korwiga ase kenyore kiga kia nyabuya kegotoka emyanya chekigwo dime abo basi erieta riane igongoro kwa Dan Muzungu
Naboigo ase egwodi ya bosoti sengera ebunge ya Machoge Church nigo bamenyi be kanisa makitamna kie Mugambi Adventist Church banyakoba gwecokia na kweranĩria omobwatanio yomo asteriete Festus Kichaba azokwirwa na kobekera estima ase kanisa eyo chingagie checho niko banyakoba kuburia abarai bonsi bechinzeme chigwecokia na kwenekia abuna ngo bagasira bali elio kugendereria amagacho ye kanisa eyo
omobwatanio muganda SPA Church mbia monesa yari mwatukoreira abagambi baitu mbia monesa yende mocharitie nyumba ya Nyasaye na ndi moteta mang'ana Nyasaye yenderere mbia monesa yende mwerwete tutari kuba biri Nyasaye baete mwachakire gukora igasi ya Nyasaye bono twabariganirie asekera omugambi undi bwensi oyo oreseresi noyo otari aseresi oyo toganyite mwensi tokore igasi ya Nyasaye sensi obwanchani omanene nero tutongete ande nero tagite tomokorere singa kiti ya bonanye kanisa yetu nero no buremere obonene utakera kingana kya Nyasaye titobwatie buku insesi tukobera nane ke tukama to worship Nyasaye sentire ya bene na kumwa maskani yae titobwatie tukumane busegore Waene nyumba yetu turaba prastaringiere matafodi na roro umuchanga no roro asu mwensi asentira y'obwanchani twabariganirie sensi ya obuya bwa Nyasaye twabariganirie sensi y'ogweta somo enyumba yetu ya mugambi nka ya Nyasaye asa abana ba Nyasaye batakire kobere irindi tobo mungusomia kubesi more nabatokonyora babere bagota batindete bagote se kanisa na barabu ba korubwantani bwa Nyasaye
ya mugambi sikie ono mwesimiwa afeli kisimbi ya mono kwato bekere stima lakini toratokorera gwaya linyukuru ibintu nebinge tomiseti bakabirogo ntobugati anje buno monyene ndwe tobole mono asitime itina abekeru barango na inchonko onyo bekere nimbekeire post ke potimbugati konyengo nonde na ndo tokonya bakebirogo ntobugati ne nyumba yabageni totaite kubagacha yabakristo base togokorera none kambi tokoende imeji orango tokonye ibintu bune ibi na nae tubugati yonte
temisimi gwa tokonya togorire birogo atokorire nyumba ne gwaya lingitera era no turamonere ntori komote
tobekere stima oye twachandikire byo bontori ko bugimbiri ko estima yabona yatokonye ndo tutonyare ko batukuranderie nchiri yo monene na inde gaginye tware ko saba Nyasaye amukonya anje atusuki tuchandikete noene kanisa ime efumbi yatonyarire cho ntubwati cho togosanga abasata n'abakungu bakabana etogosanga ntubwati cho wana tware kumusaba gake umwisimi oito acha anja atoamaguru nera
wa anyaje ko bokoyerie kinyenga kimane tuburita tugwaka ngambi ya mono atuinjo watu yere tiesti twajandikira matuka amanyi nane byembo tubwatia nagakonda tubwata agakubaho bono no tosukie irinde kunyaka ba ikanse ya Nyasaye abantu ba Nyasaye banyore injiri irinde banyaka komenta atu tubanya ibo ngo kwira ni ngambi ya mono atinje kutuiborere kutuyereje ekwende na ngwaya ni kiraba nande tutaite gwaya ni kwa kapisa bintu byonse bizekutiagera ere direct irago tambi bintu atekani ngo twasabire gwaya ni kwa rwango nande bitakere bikoro na imita popsi roji ngatiyo na bintu byonse ya kapisa inde kanisa ya Nyasaye gandere abantu bacha sinjusa ngo nabateziri na tezu mutimiwa na kongesi amaya yokora agende nande turakura ibintu nebinge biborega se kanisa na oche ototarire ibintu togotezinga ngakyo emerugi ya Nyasaye bende baba
aba bwatani be kiumbe gya bodaboda korwa se chinzemo cha utamba yotoka ime ye ward ya Kiogoro bunge ya Nyaliwal Masaba gose Nyaliwal chache litukulia lero nigo besokire na kubolia abarai gose egati abarai na bali bonse bagatomo bwo konya ko bwatisi eli kunyaraka bakwegendereria asemero bali yabo yabotambe oigo nigo banyaraka bakwendeke bana nigo banyaka bagusuka ebitambugiro aso gwesira baruboka banyene atwanyaraka bakorosi mero bali yukwenyorera chingelia chekera lituko
asamalita nengoro ku Robert Ndege nje chairperson ye kiombe ke utamba boda boda junction twajagete kiombe ke 2018 twachaka ne bese bisini lakini twagendereye twaikirasi twaikire bono bono tutagitobo konyi egere togendererie kiombeke itura abantu 33 abandi bagenderete gocha ikaro barache ntu bamento nyi bakubwatia amashariti aitu tali makongu na ntali manene mono utatiga no kwerwa nayo be mno muntu uresa abantu bandi kiombeke kiaragurire birogo egento getabwati ne chiema ne PA system ntumuna tora igaga bona so tamba junction tutagitoko gani kurwa sabara ya baregeti ayo mo gorta mochache ana akugamba uyo ndensairi chanda nero nyali bali chacha simba arati na alima ata busungu batobwati sina intu tobwenere na abandi barole mu soito era na intu batochoini basabaro sie kiabo togendere na abantu baboda boda igonko bagania abantu ba minto abatora amno togendete kubwatera naiga na moroje uniform ya mesete ya nindu nabato mesete gon toli biba gon toli kende lakini abato kona gusuguma yo twara gachire no embisa iga bikege sa abantu bandi twara bagorire no ngondie chino emboli paka yo le kola lansera ngora sagia abantu ba minto na kinasa baigona tubwati sigwe egere na intorore kanuna abantu ba mambi
Pastor Vincent ninche vice chairman ya Utamba Junction. Utamba Junction ne ya chagete na ya linge bune manu ya Kiogoro main stage lakini bona since abantu abange no bagwikiraga bagutirimbo guchi Utamba tokararanga mbuya ne tobeke junction iga at least twa safe abantu goika na barwaire litanga ni pina ali korera ni ngambi ya mona se patron ya ito Nyamwaro oyole transport manager ya Kisi Matatu Industries to tembu ya mono kosi ana wato ikirange wato tebiyo buya bwoko bamo nakige ko garoro cyo twensi pitolera ero buna toleiga aso buya bwae otokonyirera at least into bwate birogo bike nande no bamo bolinto bwate kozi no ene chibesa ngo tematore twara ena nanke igo ase bali babwato umuchanda bali ko nyato tarabeka no ene gesa era at least kero muntu ole se kiombeke iga na bwata ase akorara endo twali ko basaba bagambi baito to support muna bono chiema moto support chiema PA system na ebirogo kiagara se biritu atwalire mbigo to isana twensi gokora magendera lakini kumura to support na indundo tebe mbuya mono hata mbuya mono media mbuya mono Simon Nyamogoba ogendera
na baraima abona baraibaito batoikirange bachirega bono batobekiramo
na ikiombe kia wateresa gosinasses kama na Kenya National Union of Nurses niko kia gosere guchikoenda omugiro ngwana nyara kubage kubwatukwa nabarai be kiombe kyo bakuragwa hamwe no mulikyo monene gwikia mekyo goswe kiombe kyo Seth Panyako abanyako bakomochia serikali ase ogotaikirania amagani abo na jira chiria nyako bage kubalira.
We have made a resolution at the National Executive Board that we are going to give a 21-day strike notice to all 47 county governments that have not met one or two things. We know that a county like Kisumu has already implemented that new salary structure. A county like Kericho has already implemented and paid arrears. But there are other issues that those counties have not implemented. So we are saying all the issues that my brother Opetu has properly enumerated, we are going to issue a strike notice to all 47 county government, a 21-day strike notice. And we are currently going to have a virtual meeting with the National Advisory Council to complete that process of strike so that we can go on strike and fight for our rights. It is enough. As nurses of this country, we have supported this government. The government has been in office for about 3 years. We have given them ample time to serve Kenyans and meet their commitment to health workers and specifically the nurses. But it appears that our being silent and not disturbing this government is being taken for granted or being cowartized. But this time around, beginning January, is the time for this union to go back to where it was, to stop saying that we are waiting for the government to act, is to push the government to act. There is no way. When they are coming for our payslip, they come very fast. But when we get something small increment, it becomes a problem. We cannot, for example, allow UHC staff who are doing a lot of work in the villages being paid peanuts. And yet there is a lot of money in this country. We are saying they must be put on permanent and punishable, because at Afia House we have 11 billion. To absorb these people into permanent and punishable, you only need 7.8 billion.
In January, we had an industrial action, a strike. And while ending that strike, we had an agreement with the county government of Homa Bay that come October this year, they were to implement the second batch of promotions. As we speak, we are in December. In fact, we are going towards the end of December. they have not implemented the promotions the way we agreed. Despite us as a branch writing several letters to them, those letters
na kubwatakana amo no bwagachi bagenda tebe nyumba chiri golirianse go affordable housing ritukulia lero nigo abawasiri alsinganga wose alsi wao menganga na boigo omoske ali asanjo banyaka bagutalira embono buli yobwagachi juo egendete asinsemo cha mkuru Nairobi imeye county ya Nairobi hasabanyaka bagukwana igoremero buli yegendete kwanikiwa amo ne birengo byobwagachi ebibye nyaka bigo ikiranibwa kwikira banoiga.
Because of the interest in the two countries in this area, we have now His Excellency President Barrow here, and I would just maybe allow the mic. This is his day. We are most grateful and very honored. This Mukuru project within Nairobi area, 13,000 housing units. Thank you. Karibu, Your Excellency.
Yes, thank you very much, Honorable Minister. It's a pleasure to be here. I will seize the opportunity, first of all, to thank my host, this is Mr. President, Dr. William Ruto, for inviting me to be his guest of honor for the first time. The most interesting part of it, the geographical locations are far apart. But if we are Africans, we are brothers and sisters. And there is need for us to integrate. There is need for us to strengthen our bilateral relations. And I'm very happy to be in Kenya. I've been very, very busy, but I enjoy my stay in Kenya. I came here because I have interest to know what is happening in other part of the world, especially Kenya. And Kenya, they have a lot of capacity. No doubt, we are very impressed with what we have seen. With this housing, I think it's a very important project. Because if you are elected as a president, it's a social contract. Every voter has something in his or her mind. The moment he or she voted for you, the contract is signed. That contract is to provide social projects. And this is a project, it's a big, big one.
Omo raiwense omoske William Ruto niganyal kabaga kubato kebirengarali na ugotabuna nigo ensi ya Bongereza iyumono ya nyento kabagi kura ensi ya Kenya singa kichama kiganya tigete Kenya ase ebirengo byabyo borai egento anyal kabaga tabuna nigo ba Kenya ikurani ensi ya Bongereza ngambuya ase okubeka mesingi wosoboroso bya borai mensi ya Kenya Muskeruto nigali gukwana iga igoro wasichinga kibali gukwanira igoro ya amangana yege koro gose eltage umoyega gotege karukenya kabage wikiranwa amo no mwasiri monene omoske wikirif musari amdavade.
This is a very significant development because it also blends in with the initiative around the African Union on some very critical areas. Apart from repatriation, there's also the raging debate that is not easy to deal with about reparations. And all this is a step towards resolving some of those bigger challenges. And our president is the champion of the African Union reform issues, and this again gives him an insight into other areas that may require fresh attention.
Take immense pride in being custodians of magnificent sites of global importance inscribed onto the UNESCO World Heritage List. This includes, as we were shown here, the Sacred Kaya Mijikenda Forest, Lamu Old Town, Fort Jesus National Monument, Thin Lich Hoinga Archaeological Site, the Kenya Lake System in the Great Rift Valley, Lake Turkana National Parks, and Mount Kenya National Park and Natural Forest. Together, these sites showcase our country's rich cultural and natural heritage. Let me again, on behalf of the government and people of Kenya, congratulate the UK for making those artifacts available to the people of Kenya and for giving us information that would enrich the relationship between Kenya and the UK. Difficult as it is, complicated as it is, but I have told you one thing, I've said one thing in your presence, that we have many complaints against the British because of colonialism and many other things. But we also have something to thank them for. They left one thing in Kenya that works, and that is a system of government. We have a solid administration system that supports the governance of our country. I have said before, and I will say it again. We appreciate that we inherited a system of government that goes all the way to the grassroots and that works for
Mwanchumo ligiriligo ikirabu no tugukorera ekionga chinsa inye obo tukubwa rero nje nigongoro kwaru ni utoto nyagiri no tubatarana kuronse menyo ebimanyiririo ligakorwo iso ne makoli kuganiria obo tukobya.